Alright, this is how to replace the motor on a Whirlpool water pump. Now usually there are two screws or bolts bolted into the bottom side of the washing machine, then you have to tilt the washing machine back, loosen the two bolts, remove this whole unit, remove the motor, do all that. Now there is an easier way to do so, however we'll start here first. This plastic piece, you have to force it up. It will likely break the plastic, but it will go back down. And then backside, right here, this is where the plug is for the motor. Pull the plug out, close this back down. Now the easiest part to this whole thing, right here there is a safety catch. Basically use your flathead. I can do it here. Take your flathead, push that safety guard down. And what that's going to let you do is twist the motor and pull it out. And then all you got to do, take the motor again, your new one. It has to be vertical when it's put back in place. Now you have to be kind of forceful with this guy. Get it lined up. You kind of have to put it at an angle. Put it in there and then twist. And then it should be locking there. That safety lock should have went back in place. I broke this one, but again, it just holds it in place there for it. Plug your power back in right here. Now before you do this, you should unplug the power from the wall. And then yeah, there you go. It's a lot quicker than tilting the machine backwards, removing the bolts, doing all that jazz. It's a lot quicker.